Good morning, students. You all are welcome in our English class. Today we will learn the lesson The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom, and it's our part 2. In our part 1, we have learned that there were a very kind couple and they have no child and they have only one pet dog and they love him very much. Okay, and we have also learned that the pet dog saw him a place and there was a gold in the earth, and that's they found the gold because of the dog. We have learned in our first lesson and first part. Today we will do the second part. Okay, and it is the page number 57. Those in an hour, the old couple were made rich. Because of the pet dog, they became very rich because they found out a gold from earth. It's buried under the earth, and they found out the gold coins. That's why they became very rich because of their pet dog. The goods all bought a piece of land, so that's why they bought a piece of land. जमीन का टुकड़ा खरीदा. Made a feast for their friends. Feast means दावत देना, उनके फ्रेंड्स को दावत दी. एंड गिव प्लेंटीफुली टू देयर पुअर नेबर्स जो पुअर नेबर्स थे उनको भी उन्हें कुछ गिफ्ट्स दिया. एज फॉर द डॉग दे पिटेड हिम टिल देयर नियरली स्मूदर विथ हर काइंडनेस. हियर पिटेड मीन्स प्यार करना, तो उनका जो पेट डॉग था उसको बहुत प्यार किया. पिटेड मीन्स प्यार करना. Now in the same village there lived a wicked old woman and his wife. In this village, a wicked means cruel person. So one cruel man and woman live in this village. Not a bit sensitive and kind. They were not sensible or not kind. Who had always kick and scold all dogs whenever they passed their house. Whenever any dog or any animal pass by their house, what they did scold them, okay, and hit them, kick the animals. Hearing of their neighbor's good luck, they coaxed the dog into their garden and set before him bits of fish and other Dainties. Dainties means tasty food. Okay. So here this news that the old couple became rich because of the pet dog. They also want to coax this pet dog and invite for their house. So they coaxed the dog into their garden and sat before him and gave him some fish and some dainties, tasty food, because they want also treasure of gold. That's why the cruel person, the man and the woman invite the dog for the tasty food, hoping he would find treasure for them. They hope that the pet dog also find out the treasure for them. But the dog, behind afraid of cruel pet, would neither eat nor move. Dog understood about the cruel couple. That's why the dog neither eat nor move from there. The dog didn't eat anything that given by the cruel couple. Then they dragged him out of doors. When the dog neither eat or not move, what they did, they dragged him to the doors, taking a spade and hoe with them. Okay, and they took us tools like hoe and spade for with them. No sooner had the dog got near a pine tree growing in the garden than he began to hoe and scratch the ground. No sooner had मतलब कुछ ही समय में dog got near to the pine tree के पास गया in the garden and po आगे के पैर से उसको scratch किया मतलब खोदने लगा ground को. As if a mighty treasure lay beneath मतलब नीचे. The cruel couple उसको लगा कि जैसे कि यहाँ पे खजाना है. Quick, wife, hand me the spade and hoe, cried a greedy old fool. Greedy person, जिसको बहुत सारी चीजों की जरूरत होती है, ऐसे पर्सन को greedy person कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पे जो cruel person है, he was very greedy, so he called his wife that quick, hand me a spade and hoe. As he danced with joy, और वो joy से मतलब खुशी में आके नाचने लगा. Then the courteous old fellow means old woman. Fellow means old woman. The courteous means greedy person. तो जो greedy old woman थी with a spade, वो spade लेके आई. And old crone with a hoe began to dig. खोदने लगे, digging करने लगे. But there was nothing but a dead kitten. What there was? There was only dead kitten. मरी हुई बिल्ली पड़ी थी वहाँ पे. The smell of which made them drop their tools and shut their noses. बहुत गंदी बदबू आ रही थी वहाँ से. Furious at the dog, the old man kicked and beat him to death. बहुत गुस्सा हुआ डॉग पे. कौन? Cruel couple. And उसको बहुत मारा, beated him and kicked him. An old woman finished the work by nearly chopping off his head with a sharp hoe. कुल्हाड़ी से. हो मतलब एक टूल होता है. ओके, तो जब वो मर ही गया था फिर भी उसने उसके हेड को कट कर दिया. cut his head. Then they flung him into the hole and heaped the earth over his carcass. Carcass means dead body. Okay, and flung means threw into the deep and chipped and heaped the earth over his carcass. उसकी जो dead body थी उसको जमीन में गाड़ दिया. The owner of the dog heard about the death of his pet and mourning for him as if he had been his own child. मौन मतलब उसको बहुत दुख हुआ जैसे कि उसका खुद का बच्चा मर गया हो. ऑनर वेरी काइंड पर्सन, वो बहुत ही काइंड था इसलिए उसको उसके पेट डॉग के मर जाने पे बहुत दुख हुआ. Went the night under the pine tree, जहाँ पे उसको गाड़ा गया था पाइन ट्री के नीचे, वहाँ पे वो गया. He set up some bamboo tubes in the ground such as are used before tombs in which he put fresh flowers. ओके, वहाँ पे जाके बम्बूज लगाए और उसके वहाँ पे जाके फ्लावर्स रख सके ऐसा उसने टॉम बनाया. आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हो. he made some bamboos lying over the garden, on the garden, such in which he put some fresh flowers. So वहाँ पे जाके वो कुछ उसकी ग्रेव पे ओके वहाँ पे जाके फ्लावर्स रख सके. Then he laid a cup of water and tray of food on the grave and burned several costly sticks of incense. Sticks means हम जो घर में भगवान के आगे जो sticks लगाते हैं ना वैसे ही costly sticks भी लगाई. अच्छा खाना पानी सब उसके grave के ऊपर रखा. He mourned a great while over his pet, calling him many dear names, as if he were alive. उसके ग्रेव के आगे जाके जहाँ पे उसको दफनाया था वहाँ पे जाके उसने मैनी नेम्स उसके जो प्यारे प्यारे नाम थे उससे उसको पुकारा. एज इफ ही वर अलाइव, जैसे कि वो जिंदा है. दैट नाइट द स्पिरिट ऑफ डॉग अपीयर्ड टू हिम इन द ड्रीम एंड सेड. वन डे दैट नाइट व्हाट हैपेंड, द डॉग स्पिरिट, डॉग की आत्मा, स्पिरिट मीन्स आत्मा, वो अपीयर्ड हुई मतलब दिखी उसके सपने में. cut down the pine tree over my grave. What he told? He told that cut down the pine tree over my grave and make from it a mortar for your rice pastry and a meal for your bean sauce. When you cut down the pine tree, you have to make a mortar. Mortar means one type of bowl, and meal means जिसमें हम beans मतलब जो बीन्स मतलब जो भी बीन्स होते हैं उसको हम अंदर ग्रेन्स जो होते हैं उसको हम कट करके उसके अंदर ग्रींड कर सके, ऐसे मील बनाओ। किसमें से? पाइन ट्री के वुड में से। ऐसा स्पिरिट ने आके बोला। कट डाउन द पाइन ट्री ओवर माई ग्रेव एंड मेक फ्रॉम इट मोटर फॉर योर राइस पेस्ट्री एंड मील फॉर योर बीन सॉस। बीन्स का सॉस बनाने के लिए एक मील बनाओ लकड़ी की। So the old man chopped down the tree and cut out a middle of the trunk of a section about 2 feet long. So old man was cut down the tree and cut down the between of the section and 2 feet long from the middle of the section of the tree trunk. With great labor, बहुत सारी मेहनत के बाद, labor means मजदूरी, मेहनत, partly by fire as been as small bowl. उसमें से उसने क्या बनाया? एक mortar means bowl बनाया। He then made a long handled hammer of wood. उसमें से उसने एक हैमर, हथौड़ी जैसा हैमर भी बनाया। Such as is used for pondering rice. राइस को पॉन्डर करने के लिए, पॉन्डर मीन्स क्रश करने के लिए, उसमें से एक हैमर बनाया। Such as used for pondering rice. When newer time drew near, when newer came near, he wished to make some rice pastry. Pastry means sweet, one type of sweet. केक की पेस्ट्री आती है ना, same as pastry means one type of sweet item. When the rice was all boiled, Greeny put it into the mortar. जब राइस सब बॉइल हो गए उसको एक मोटर मतलब बाउल में निकाला। Into the old man lifted his hammer to pound the mass into dough. Dough means आटा, हम जैसे आटा बना गूंथते हैं ना गेहूं का, वैसे उसका एक डो बनाया। And the bowl felt heavy and fast till pastry was all ready for baking. So now the pastry was ready for baking. Suddenly the wall mass turned into heap of gold coin. What happened? The wall mass, जो उसने पेस्ट्री के लिए जो कुछ बनाया था सामान, टर्न इनटू हीप ऑफ गोल्ड कॉइंस, वो सब क्या बन गया? गोल्ड के कॉइंस बन गए। When the old man took the hand meal, filling it with the beans began to grin. The gold drops like rain. जो मील में जो ग्रेन्स रखे थे, जो बीन्स रखे थे फॉर ग्रीन, उसको ग्रीन करने के लिए, they began to green like a gold rain. जैसे कि सोने की बारिश हो रही हो, वैसे वो मिल में से जो अनाज जो था वो ऐसे गिरने लगा, जैसे कि रेन की बारिश हो रही हो। Meanwhile, the envious neighbor peeped in at the window when the boiled bean were begin ground. जब boil जो beans थे वो ग्रीन हो रहे थे, तब जो इन्वेसियस नेबर थे, जो वेरी क्रूअल नेबर थे, उसने पिप मतलब झांक के देखना, पिप्ड मतलब झांकना, देखना, छुप के देखना। Good evening, cried the old hag as she saw each dripping of sauce turning into yellow gold. Until in a few minutes the tub under the mill was full of shining mass of gold. In a few minutes there was a mass. It's turned into the gold, and they saw this thing. So the old couple were rich again. Once more, the old couple were rich again. The next day, the stingy and wicked neighbor came and borrowed the mortar and magic mill. What they do? They asked for the mill and for the ball, because they saw that the ball and the mill became the gold coins and the sparkles of gold. That's why they want for they asked for the mortar and the mill from the very kind couple. They filled one with boiled rice and the other with beans. Okay, they filled the bowl with the rice and the other with beans. Then the old man began to pound and the woman to grind. That cruel man began to pound, crush करने लगा. And the old woman, the cruel woman began to grind करने के लिए मिल में रखा. But at the first blow and the turn, the pastry and sauce turned into fall mess of worms. क्या बन गया उसमें से? कीड़े बन गए. नई पेस्ट्री बनी, ना ही गोल्ड बना, बट वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? वॉर्म्स में. Still more angry at this, they chopped the meal into the pieces to use as firewood. बहुत गुस्से में आके उसने उसको कट कर दिया मील को और फायरवर्क मतलब उसको जलाने के लिए रख दिया. So this is our part 2. We will meet in our next part is part 3. Thank you.